is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here for another episode of Franklin Stories. Before me do anything else, you don't know me, I have to do the shout out them. So I ask a regular, what two things you cannot eat for breakfast? The answer is lunch and dinner. Watcha, take selfie. You what goodie? I heels. My type of shit. Yeah. Anyway, lunch and dinner was the answer to the regular. So let me quickly big up the people them. Jaim be crazy. You get it right, dog. Big up yourself. Kimani Smith, big up yourself. You get it right, dog. YNB bars, big up yourself again. Me G, you get it right again. Kevin's World, big up yourself. You get it right. MSF God Viva, big up yourself. You get it right. Last but not least, Zanpus Comedy. The puss part of your name, brother. You have to go take out the thought and call it something. Big up yourself, you get it right. But ever so often you have this one person in the comment section where always put some madness where I just laugh or read and shake my head. So Jamaica's JAMAICA'S Gamer put this. I'm not gonna read it out. Just read it. You see it? That's how I put. So people stay tuned for your next trigger. Another one, yeah. I have a next trigger. So whether you ask you to say one wants to do more of City Patrol, Bojo, Killer, or Franklin Stories, Mission and Heist. Some people say, well, most people say missions and Heist. So today when I get 2 in 1, Franklin is here and we are do some heist setup. Some high setup we are gonna do. Rastaman, you want bed? So we are gonna do some high setup with Franklin today. Also, people, make sure say wanna go over Agseed YouTube page and check it out. He post a video of him playing Red Dead Redemption New Sheriff in Town Part 1. So I'm gonna go check it out. The link is in the description of this video. I'm gonna go over there, go give some love. Tell him say JWG sending them, man. I think man, yeah man, I'm a family, I'm a blood family of people, so. Hey! Sorry, I wasn't looking, I was looking at my phone.
Okay.
Me da look on my phone, you can't tell me no otherwise. Me da look on my phone. But okay. Where? Anyway, go over there, go show him some love. So today, as me say, we are do some heist. So let's get straight into it. Oh, and yes, people, me get back my laptop. Me get back my laptop now. Like, me feel so lost without my laptop. Me have 2 laptops. One for do DJing and one for do thing there. One for do gaming. I got keep that. I got keep this. Me stab him. Run up on him. Come out! Sorry, I have to do that, but we need the chuck. No, not the one. This. The people, if you enjoy these Franklin stories, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, so you don't miss out on future episodes. Nah, you couldn't turn on this up. Let me like something now. Oh, me trick no. Nah, like nothing. So this is the first part of the ice setup. So the ice setup here is based through Trevor. Obviously, me not use Trevor to play with, so I'm gonna use Franklin to do them. The channel that grow rapidly, thanks to Uno. Big up on yourself. Yeah, the people that asking for shout out people, and some of those shout out. I can't just get up every day and just randomly shout you out. So if you want a shout out to one, to those who want shout outs, no doubts. Alright, let me go drop off that thing here with let me go drop off that thing here where we need to do part of the ice. One light post today saying that you never see it, like really dark. Watch it. And yes, people, every day on the comment section so me can't drive. Me know me can't drive. No, that wasn't my fault. That was not my fault, people. You know it's not my fault that. You can't tell me it's my fault that.
Will you keep quiet?
Me not business 101 says that was not my fault. Him a turn if come over on the left hand lane and never see me, never check him mirror in time. So me running at him. Yeah, that me I say. That is my side of the story and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, we are at the high setup base. Very out and I open. I'm gonna drop out the truck here. I'm gonna get some more things. Leave the truck. Alright, leave it there, sir. So I have some more things to get. So I'll get them. Because I know so the ice here I'm gonna be excited for now.
Hey, the tow truck's at the lot, dog, ready to go.
So the tow truck is at the yard ready to go. So I'm gonna collect the next thing what I need. I don't know what I'm gonna collect, but I'm gonna collect something. Also it has say on the screen so I need to hide one getaway car somewhere, but I'm not ready for that yet. I don't know which one to hide it, which one I'm gonna hide it. I don't know which one the ice I get done. Watch it. So Franklin outside. Help me get the channel to 10k people. Help me get the channel to 10k by the end of summer. One of the things I can do it by the end of summer. June now. July, August. So the end of August. Want the next one. 3.5 more K. Yeah, we can do that. Of course we can do that, people. All I have to do is help me share. Don't be greedy, man. Make other people see the channel as well by sharing it. And don't forget to smash up the like button. Hold it and drop it and take it up back again and drop it again and jump on it. Smash up the like button, break people. So, what am I go for yes or no? Oh, gun shop. Really? What if you got a gun shop for? Oh, the boiler suit. I'm going to change the color then or something? Alright, I'm going to one now. Oh, buy it for them. Okay. Duh. I never know people. I don't because in the comment section. I never know so that me for them. Buy it for my color. So why me have to spend my money on them tool? Hey! Why me have to spend my money on them? I buy a suit for them. And them now give me some of them money when them get it from the ice. That not right. Black Lives Matter. What do want come do? Me if you drop beam I wanna drop both. Lady, watch it now.
You gotta watch out, fool.
Watch it, man.
Hey, y'all, we got ourselves some boiler suits.
Yeah, well, that's suit there. When I go like say, if it drop boof, and if it drop beam. Shouldn't buy that phone, dog. Cause style. Anyway, now watch that. Good friend better than boiler suit money. So I could go to the next eye setup to do the eye setup and see what can. What? Watch it! You're on the wrong side. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the road now. Please make sure to go over Agseed page, go show him some love. Like me say, him post him first video. People. So go over there, go show him a little love. You don't know. Hey! I could have make it enough, but that the park bad. In the park bad for true, man. I don't know that come cost me. In park bad for true. I mean, I take it back. In park bad. Why me have to go all the way around here so one time I can just shot through here so? Through here so me I go. You don't like it, bite it. Do you understand that thing, yeah? Why am I going so far? You think I'm really? Right to some I go. Oh, I have to go buy mask. Oh. I'm have to use my money for them idiot here. Hey, baby! What I got? Too maga. What I do? What I go? What me do? What me do? What me do?
I guess you won't really be making much
what me do? What? Me not do nothing, brother. No. But I do nothing. Move. Me not do nothing. Nothing I don't do. Nothing. Move. Me not do nothing. What? People. Oh, you say them wicked to me? I never do nothing a while ago. Nothing me never do. Alright, which mask we fit take, people? Yeah. Space monkey there. Take the space monkey. That's a Franklin. I'm gonna get Dr. Trevor. What? Ugly mask! See Trevor there. Oh, that's a Michael. Oh god. Michael that. Alright. I'm gonna get Trevor one ugly mask. Because Trevor is a weirdo. Oh, I can't get no more mask on this. Get Trevor that, cause Trevor quite scary. Call him and I'll tell them so you get them out.
Take care, friend.
Hey! Oh, you about to get dealt with right now. Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, I know.
What you say, my nigga? No ram! Fatty! You don't want none of this, you know? Fat boy! Fat boy! Fat boy! You don't want none of this, brother? You know what I hate another game, yeah? More than anything else? People dip on them phone. Me no care. You don't dip on your phone, no time.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Oh! Fat man, you know that? Fat man! Oh! Fat man kill me! You better not stop, brother. That don't make no sense. Alright, on to the next one. Oh! Come on. Watch it, Chuck, man. Left on my side. Oh, left on Pete's side, man. Alright, we'll go to the next heist setup, you know. We just want to get them out of the way, so in the next episode we can do the heist for no.
Man, only inches.
Na 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 na. Money in a pocket. Me do the heist setup. Yeah. Whoa! Watch yourself. Some driving skill, people. Say something about me driving now. Say something about me drive. Watch ya. Watch who vex. Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? Yeah, la 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 la. Yeah. Yeah, who vex? No crashing. Watch it. What does it no crash? Eh? That more action no. None of us see no crash? Yeah, man. They tell me I can't drive long time, you know. But I just trick me that trick the whole out now. I love jump to conclusion and I don't know half of the story. Watch him on! What you say, dog? Thing good? What you say? Franklin's here.
You Beverly's boy?
Shit, I guess I
Yeah,
am.
my Beverly's boy, my big man.
Heavy security. I'd take a photo from the roof if I was you. Okay, I gotta go. This conversation never happened.
Yeah, I got you, homie. It's good.
Don't call me no boy no. Your pants big like Chapolin. Look for your pants. And you want to call me boy. Because your mother buy that fee and you have no choice but to wear it. Don't call me no boy yacht. Pants big like. Where we are go, man? Yes, man.
Passion, purple plunder, endless panic, whatever you want.
Marvelous. I'll take it all.
Okay.
I am on holiday. I mean, apart from a few photo shoots with orphans
Come.
and cripples, but like, I could do that in a coma. They really are the same the whole world round, you know?
Oh, I'm gonna send a photo. Yeah, send a photo.
So like, back in England, my health
Send
was, like,
photo. Alright, see it there.
for me.
Easy.
They're, like, super scared of being arrested and totally
Think
banged
easy
by
for do.
scary dudes in US.
Easy.
So like,
Yeah. May I get out of there now? Alright, cool. Right there. Top nice girl. Go and go brush teeth. Who you call puta? Yeah, man, go over there so I leave the vehicle here, so I leave a vehicle over there, so come. I need to leave a vehicle somewhere. Anyway, so when we get away, we can. I laugh after me? Eh? Where you stop yourself for?
Become no murder case now, nigga.
Come on.
Funk me!
No, I'm not do that. I laugh? Eh?
Oh, you
I laugh.
fool.
Oh yeah. Ha! Me not hijack. Them like them a tell lie on the police radio say me a hijack. Me not hijack. Oh God, police are come. Run. Watch it, taxi. My right away. I'm try to get you from police. Don't try to cut me off. Don't do that. That is rude. That is totally rude. Watch yourself. Oh God, police. Oh God, Let me can go. Oh God. Let me catch him. Let me see. Yes, just. Oi! Alright, cool. Alright, they're on track. For go where I go. So I'm gonna bring the vehicle over here, so even though it's bright red. Need to bring it over there, sir. Police, hurry up and go on. A 1 star, I go on, sir. 1 star. Come on, man. Lose it, yeah, man, lose it. No, yourself. Watch it, me now crash. Me have to shot through the middle. Click the fence. Whoa! Look there! Ruvex. Okay. No crashing now go on. What wanna say? Watch that. Whoa! Me save him life. Him never know that. Alright, slow down. Put that thing in there. Alright, done that. We are here. Look like one cartoon character. No, we are here.
I'm sorry, fool.
I am sorry. I am sorry. Like, you should not walk this up. You should walk in the middle road and make me drive on the sidewalk. What? Me touch you? I'm here. Part me and skip. See the garbage truck. Okay. Sorry. Oi! Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Wait, no man. Them have to steal you. Let me see if I'm gonna pull over again. See garbage if you pick up, you know. Give me that garbage truck here. Quick. Come out. Get out.
You got the day off, homie.
Yeah, take the day off with no pay. But I throw no garbage for the thing too. Empty this. And my police will lose now again. Oh God. Keep going straight. Oh God, they might try to come. Oh God, why you couldn't just leave me alone, man? Sure. Suspect no crash. Suspect just have a nice little lick up.
I'm sorry. It's that funny, right? I mean, what?
Well, suspect have crash. I love to lie on people too much. That's why people don't like you again. All of them do is tell lie on people. Suspect have crash. Where me crash? You see me crash? You see me still a go? No self. Watch it, boy. You can't worry me. Bigger than you. Suspect I got 50 miles per hour. Oh, police crash! Ah, he crashed! He crashing! Ah! Oh God, he crashed too. Well, police crash first. Yo, that was nice. That's rich. Yo, me need to turn off on the road. Yeah, call police officer. Oh God, he might come up with something. Oh God. Alright, come over, sir. Yeah, man. You see police lick up. Why else the police can lick up too? I me alone can lick up. Yes, man. Go up there. Ah, yes. What police are doing over here, sir? Come quickly now. Lose the star now. Lose the star then, please. Lose the star. Yes, star lost. Boss a reverse. Yes, people.
Hey.
Ha! Who put that there, sir? Who put this there, sir? That not for there, sir? That don't make no sense. I don't know someone gonna come up here with a garbage truck and still put the things up in my way. That don't make no sense, brother.
I never me tell you God do it.
This is not this thing now, man. You don't go on better, you know. You don't go on better than how no go on. It not look nice. It not feel good. You hear me tell you now? Don't stop put things in my way, man. Ease out. Slow down.
You know what? Fuck this.
Yeah. Who put that there?
I never miss saying you God do it.
People, that poster for level off with the wall. That poster not for hang out there, so. Why it hang out there, so? I don't understand. Ciao. Ever try come style me some way, you know? So what if you go to now hide that vehicle in a secret location, so I'm gonna put it over near the ice and hide it. So me, Franklin and Dirty Trevor can jump in it and cut when time we do the ice.
Ian, only inches.
Oh, bad, my bad. Alright, people. Me have a next regular now. Trick question time. I twist, I turn, I leave loops. Carry quite slow enough. I twist, I turn, and I leave loops. What am I? Answer the one for me. Give me that carrier. Don't tell nobody. You not see nothing. Walk and live. No! Dog, me not like. What me tell you say? What me tell you say? One in your heart. Leave my little dirty money. Shit too much. Who no man? Who ya man? Yeah man. Yeah. I twist, I turn, I leave loops. What am I? Answer the regular for me. I twist, I turn, I leave loops. What am I? Answer the one for me. And you get your shout out. So do it quick and fast. Oh god. No, sorry people, we're never ready.
I wanna go home. I don't wanna I wanna go home!
The police, I can't hide him. Him gone past me. Him gone past! Yo, my bad. Look at him go. Yo, my bad. Acha. Him done this up. Yo, never gonna try that more often. Pull up, act normal, make them go and pass yo. Yo, me good. Yes, dada. Police said dumb. A police want some donut. Police said, don't let me know. Cause you're wrong. Cause me a move and you stationary. You have to stay stationary. Watch it, yo. This is how we get away vehicle. This how we get away vehicle. This we are gonna use. Some are gonna wear this, but me no business with it. Me gonna drop out of vehicle here. You understand? So yes.
Oh my god.
Man, sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Don't want me to do that. Me a turn and you turn. Don't go yet. I'm here. See me also. Know yourself. We can't hide no vehicle when you say brother. People are gonna spot it and take it to man. You can't get away vehicle when you say brother. Alright, here we go. I see me can find an alley down and put it. Oh, this down so. Nope, can't go down there so. Oh, this down so. Nope. But we can't hide a vehicle now. Alright, I'm not left with you then. Go in here. We are the dog. Go in here, man, you. Move like you have Jandies. Jesus Christ, no what? Look, being turned over and you go and say dog. Chill, man. But with no excitement, man. You have to call nobody, man. You have to call nobody for me. I'm good.
Hey, see you at the bar.
We need to find somewhere nice to put a vehicle here, dog. Big man, keep car. Watch it, man. What are you doing, sir? Back of one shop. One way in, one way out. No, two way in, two way out. You can have it there, sir? Alright, I can have it there, sir.
Hey, I got a ride for our getaway, homie.
Well done. Where's it stored?
Little soul.
Alright, that's everything. I'll call Steve. Tell him we're ready to move on this.
Okay. So people, as you can see, everything is done, set up, everything ready for go. So people, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe around there if you're new. Big up the whole JWG Nation squad. And big up my cousin Agseed on him video where him just dropped. So I'm gonna left the link in the description for Agseed video. Him play Red Dead Redemption. So if you like the cowboy style partner, hey partner, go over him channel and make sure you show him some love by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment down below. Make him know say you are missing over there. So you understand? So people, until next time, I will see you when we are gonna do the heist. Peace.